Are you serious? Huh? You being serious right now? Guess what, guys? We're back. Y'all hungry or what? Guys, do you know how long it's been since I've walked in this barn and filmed for you guys? Look at this, we're back. We are back to our daily vlogs. We finished. I finally caught back up on all that footage from the last 2 weeks-ish. And so we are back to the daily grind of pumping out videos daily. Did you see that? The chicken was riding Bam Bam. Yeah, we're back to doing videos every single day, the day of, so you guys can be on it with us. You know exactly what we're doing every day. Whatever I did today, you're seeing today, and that's the way we like it. It's a lot of work, but it's very interactive. We love to be interactive with you guys, and that's why we created the Facebook family group, the Crocker Homestead family group on Facebook. So if you're not on there, go get on that. We stay super active on there. And guys, let's go feed. Oh man, did you see Grandma back there? Let's go do our daily chores. You hungry? Got a little bit out here to get y'all going. If you're new to the channel, I'm gonna kind of take you along with us right now. But I used to just throw our feed out like kind of how it is now. I did that just to get them out of the barn, but I started using these little bowls and stuff, and it works out. I got to build a trough, but for now, this will work. So having it like this, they kind of eat on their own, which is pretty good. Guys, it's nasty out here. It's been raining a lot. But they used to fight real bad for the food. Now they're getting better. These two girls right here, this one, that's Lucy. The white one is Grandma. They're both pregnant, and I don't know, they should be having babies really soon. I'm not 100% sure when, but check out this little udder. So we're pretty excited for some new babies around here. It's been a little while. As you guys may or may not know, Stainer is the star of the show. Check this guy out. Stainer! What's up, buddy? Look at his horns, guys. His big old carrots. Look at him. Look, he's bigger than the other ones. He's growing so much. Stainer isn't really a baby anymore. He's bigger than the dwarf goats. He's getting the size of our pygmy goats, and he's a Sony goat. I don't know how to say it right. I never get it right, but he is the star of our channel. What are you doing, buddy? Go eat. Our duck's over there munching away. Little goats there. Fighting goats over here. Got chickens and ducks. Now that they're doing all right, let's go feed the baby chicks, and then we'll check on the quail. Hey, watch out, buddy. If you are new to our channel, these little chicks, we hatched them out in their incubator for the first time ever. These are the first chicks we've ever raised from eggs from our incubator. So they're getting big, so let's feed them real quick. Y'all hungry or what? They're eating right out of the bucket. Look at them, eating right out of the bucket. Get out of here. These guys are growing great. Now that the chicks are taken care of, chickens are taken care of, ducks are taken care of, goats are taken care of, let's check out the quail. No, we're not quail ninja masters like old Dutch, but I think we could try to figure this out. We built this quail pen for him. I wanted him inside because we're not as cool as Dutch and don't have a whole freaking quail barn. Stay back in there. These guys are crazy. Stainer, what are you doing in here, buddy? You are not supposed to be in here. Now do you guys realize why Stainer's the star of the show? He's not supposed to be in there, but he gets to do whatever he wants because he's awesome. And I don't think he knows how to handle these quail. Stainer, get out here, boy. Come here. Look at him in there. He don't know what to do. Look at... Are you serious? Huh? You being serious right now? Come on. Get out. Come here. Come here. You can't go back in there. Alright, go get on the freaking camera then. Told you, he's a freaking camera hog. Star of the channel. Come here. Everyone told us that he'd be mean. Everyone was saying, don't get a boy, he's gonna be mean. He's gonna grow up and be so mean. Look at this mean goat. It's like a dog. We also have a rabbit. Her name is Jessica Rabbit. Yep, Jessica Rabbit. And she's pretty cool. She doesn't really like the rain that we've been having, so she's probably up in her house right now. But guys, check this out. We built this little rabbit hutch. It was actually gonna be a chicken coop, and it turned into a rabbit hutch. But we move this every day. We put her on the ground. We don't want her stuck in a cage. Well, it's kind of a cage, but she's on the ground. So let's move this, and I'm gonna show you why we do this. Did you already jump down? Yep. But guys, here's a big reason why we do this setup right here. And look, there's no top. We're not worried about air predators. We've had her for like, man, I don't know, a year and a half. Never had air predators. And we used to leave her in our garden whenever we weren't growing anything, let her stay out there. And so we're surrounded, we have fence everywhere. We have, I don't know, 8 dogs right now. We never have coyotes or nothing. But guys, check out, this is why we move this around. If you can see, she was right here, and I moved her here. But she was over here before, she was over here, she was over here. Look at all this. Rabbit poo everywhere. Look. She was just right here. Look at all this rabbit poo. I just moved her today. Look at all this rabbit poo. You would never know by looking at this little pasture, paddock, plot, whatever you want to call this area right here. It used to be dirt, nothing but dirt. And we got the rabbit moving around every day. We put grass seed, some winter rye, and we grew it out in the winter, and then we put the rabbit on there all through here. And then we put the goats out here all through there. So all the rabbit poop and all the goat poop, and then chickens coming, scratching through here, pooping and stuff. Guys, we turned all this into grass, into free food for our other animals, you know, to eat. So every day the rabbit gets moved every single day, and then we feed her scraps and all that. So she eats, I think she eats the best out of everyone, even eats better than us. And then the goats come out here, chickens come out here, ducks come out here. Guys, that's what we're about at this channel, is if we're gonna have animals, we're gonna try to raise them the best we can in the most humane way we can. That way, we're not getting all these people out here, these PETA people, saying, you shouldn't raise animals if you don't love them. I love our animals. That rabbit right there, Jessica Rabbit, she's a pet. She's not even gonna be eaten, ever. She's gonna be our pet. And my wife and I, we're gonna build a tiny house, we're gonna build a backyard. She can be our backyard pet. We're gonna eat our chickens, we're gonna eat their eggs, we're gonna eat duck, we're gonna eat their eggs, we're gonna eat rabbit, we're gonna eat their babies when they're big enough, and then we're gonna eventually eat goats. All our goats right now are pets, but we're gonna eventually eat them. And so that's kind of where we're at, is, you know, trying to live a good life we're young. We're starting this. We're only about, I don't know, 2 years into all this. We bought our property like December of 2016. Then we're building our own house, shed to house. If you guys are interested in that, we have a whole playlist turning a Dirksen 16 by 50 shed, 800 square feet, into a house. And then Jaylena and I, my wife, we live in a camper right now, and then we're gonna build our own tiny house. Why don't we live in the house? Because that's my twin brothers. I'm 33 years old. I'd rather live in his backyard in a camper than in the house with them, with my wife. So we're newlyweds. Jaylena and I got married last year in August, so we're coming up on a year. And Jared and I, our birthday is August 12th. Jaylena and I met on August 13th, and then we got married on August 14th. So I'm the worst husband in the world if I ever forget our anniversary. And no, we didn't get married 2 days after meeting. It was 2 years. It just happened to be on those days. One of my favorite things to do is come in here and collect eggs. I absolutely love it. It's Easter every day. But we got some guard goats over here. Check this out. You guarding them eggs down there? Look at all them eggs down in there. And you're guarding them. Let's see. Oh man. I just cracked one, but we got 3 eggs today. I just cracked the one in there. So let me show you guys what we do with stuff like that. So since this egg's wasted, no good, we're gonna throw it out to the chickens. I'm not gonna sit there and cry over spilt milk, if you wanna call it that. The egg was cracked, we turned it into food. And that's what we absolutely love around here, is free food. Chicken laid an egg, I cracked the egg, chicken eats the egg, they make me a new egg. It's the smartest thing you could possibly do. Chickens are awesome. If you're thinking about animals, get them. And if you want goats, look at this. That's Bam Bam. We almost ate him because he's a turd. But yeah, I don't know. Let's go check that garden now. So as we go to go check out the garden, we're gonna show you some of my dogs. That's Razzie. She's the old one. 2 puppies right here. My parents just took a puppy. That's the mama. That's Bandit. Baxter over there. He stays in the pens all the time when he shouldn't. And this is Rufio. Hey, Roof. And as I mentioned earlier, my wife and I live in a camper, and this is gonna be Riley and Sawyer. So that's Riley, and then Sawyer's under the steps. And then I think that's all of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. Yeah, we gotta count them sometimes because we have so many. But let's check out the garden real quick. So this is part of our garden. The other part has been overgrown, but we'll show you that in a second. But we got potatoes growing right here. We got some Chinese cabbage that went to flower real fast, so that's no good. That'll be rabbit food. Then we got some squash and zucchini. We got lettuce growing over there. We got peppers. We got tomatoes. We got onions. We got garlic. Then we got grapevines. And then let's see what's over here in this overgrown stuff. Guys, again, we've been gone for like 2 weeks, but let's look at this. Got whatever this is, I don't know. Zucchini or something. They're all starting to flower. And then we got this cabbage, I believe this is cabbage. And then more cabbage. As you can see, we got tomatoes growing. Got a lot of tomatoes growing. Then we got peppers. Some more peppers. More peppers. More peppers. More peppers. More peppers. Got some green onions that are just going way out of control. Got some big onions over here that are probably ready. I don't know. Half this stuff we've never even done. Like this is like a lime tree or something. Let's see. Lemon. We got some lemons growing in here. Let's see. We got lime growing down here. Then we got some oranges growing. it's just really cool experimenting. As you guys know, we just got back from Justin Rhodes' house and we got to learn from Casey. The guy is amazing. Next garden, we're gonna do a lot more stuff like he taught us. This year, we were just trying to learn. So Casey, if you're watching this, I'm sorry you had to see our bad garden. He's a sweetheart, but for some reason, he's getting attacked by flies already. So bad on his ears. So if y'all guys got some remedies to help that out, please let us know. We have 8 dogs. They're all rescues. We're not just crazy. And we got 3 rescue cats as well. We're trying to just do what we can with what we can to help these animals out, live good lifestyles. I would say 95% of the dogs we got came straight from a pound. And so just one of those things. That's what we started with. We started with dogs and cats and then moved on to farm animals. But if you know any remedies on getting rid of flies outside so they don't eat up the dog's ears, please let us know. We just did flea medicine for all of them, which I don't recommend you getting 8 dogs. That gets super pricey, man. I mean, it's just, you start to question things like, why in the world do I have 8 dogs and it costs so much money? But we love these dogs. We'll do whatever we can for them. Check this out while we're here. We got more fruit trees. We got this one. There's one back there, one over here, one over there that's not really making it. We got trees growing in the front. Guys, I don't know. We got a lot going on here. We got a lot of mowing to do. It's been a lot of raining. Jared just bought a new John Deere lawnmower. Our other one completely crapped out, if you were wondering. I couldn't get it to work, so maybe eventually I'll get it going and we can use it as like a lawn tractor to pull the wagon around or something. But that's the camper my wife and I live in. I'll go to the front in just a second and show you, as you're watching this, the house, the shed to house we turned into a house for Jared. But hopefully all this wraps up what we are, and if you're new to the channel, you kind of get the idea of that without having to binge watch all our videos, figure it out. My name's Jason, our last name is Crocker, and I'm married to Jaylena. Her last name is now Crocker, and then Jared is my twin brother. I'm 2 minutes older, in case you were just wondering, because I know you're gonna ask, and his last name is Crocker. So we are the Crocker Homestead. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy us and our stuff, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button. It truly helps a lot. So thank you guys for the support. We're blown away. We hit 20,000 subscribers. Unreal. We grew up in a town with 1,500 people. So to have 20,000 people following us on YouTube is absolutely insane to these small country boys. So thank you guys so much. We love all the support, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Just kidding, guys. Still here. Just want to tell you guys, we're about to get another animal. Actually, a few animals today. We're picking them up. Something new we never had, we wanted. What will it be? I don't know. I just remembered we were getting them. So we're gonna go pick them up, and you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to see that. But I think you guys are gonna be excited. It's something that we wanted for a little while. It's nothing over the top, but it's something that we're super excited about. So again, for the second time, see you guys later.